Welcome to Yaad Trods, where we trod round Yaad. Live, experience, explore, and discover Jamaica's attractions, lifestyle, and culture with me, Stasia Alicia. So today's trodding has taken me to the Rastafari Herbal Gardens in the hills of Retrieve, Westmoreland. And if it's one thing that Jamaica is known for, it is our food. So today's Yaad Trods will be a Yaad Ital edition. So we'll be trodding right into the kitchen, Ital style. Our main chef for today is Kadeen, and she'll be assisted by Thomas and Yannick. So let's get to it. Yaad Trods. Come make we trod now in the kitchen, Ital style. Chopping wood for the wood fire. Breadfruit. Hey, Rastafari. I love it.
From farm to table,
Yes,
fresh and true.
this is
Cooking
the
night
life.
and stew, season quinoa too.
Nice.
Roasting breadfruit over open
breadfruit
flame.
on fire.
Ital cooking feel the same.
Wanna know
Scotch
about
bonnet
this?
pepper, a little time.
This is how you shred up coconut. Look at that. Wow. No blender. Wow. No hurt up your finger, you know? Yeah. And it's called coconut shredder. So a manual coconut shredder. Yes, natural coconut milk.
And then you can wash that out. With a little water, I don't use too much. But with quinoa, you're going to add some water anyway, so...
I want as much coconut milk as I can get, man. That gives it the flavor.
Coconut milk. I've been pouring in our pot.
No additives, no GMOs, just clean living, that's how it goes. From farm to table, fresh and true.
This chicken afraid so we eat it. No, we not eat you. We not eat your chick.
Cooking night and stew, season quinoa too.
Okra stew. Ooh, okra stew, quinoa, and beans and beer things. I love it.
Roasting breadfruit over open flame. Ital cooking feel the same.
on the
Scotch
pot,
bonnet pepper,
yes,
a little
chef,
time. Green
chef.
banana bun, all in time. One
Look
pot
on the
bubble
pot,
smelling
yeah.
so fine. Ital flavors purely divine. From the ackee treat to the coconut stand. Living Ital
Let it
from
cook a
the
little bit
island
quicker.
side.
So this is for the
Quinoa.
the quinoa pot. So it's what seasoned quinoa where I get?
Just want this little flavor in there. You know?
Okay. Anything you say, no chef?
Good for the heart, good for the mind. Pure and natural, one of a
Alright,
kind.
so you're putting in the pumpkin now.
Nuts and seeds, they keep me strong.
Yes, goodie. You pop good like you goodie. Coconut milk. Yes.
hold on.
Me on, chef.
Looks good. Looking good. I'm just making sure this pepper don't burst.
You better not make it burn.
Quinoa.
So what you call this? Quinoa what?
Like a seasoned quinoa.
A seasoned quinoa. Yes, man.
Ital season.
Ital.
Pumpkin and some ackee with beans.
Alright, me can't wait to see what go on, you know. You know, the calabash.
Right?
Alright.
Living Ital, living clean, oh yeah. Fruits, vegetables, every color, everywhere. Nuts and seeds, they keep me strong. Living Ital, that's where I belong. Wake up in the morning, feel the sunshine glow. Fresh fruits waiting, that's how I know. Papaya, mango,
Herbs.
Alright, these are the natural herbs and things. Kadeen make up okra stew. Yeah, man. Drop some carrots and sweet corn in the pot.
living Ital, living clean, oh yeah. Fruits, vegetables, every color, everywhere. Nuts and seeds, they keep me strong. Living Ital, that's where I belong.
This is some cauliflower and
Leftover
squash.
cauliflower and squash. So we're just going to add this to the dish.
Alright, cool.
Now we just not gonna dash with
Jamaican mango, natural cure.
we got it with coconut.
We are going.
Ital Food, the real goal. Cauliflower rice, avocado slice, living
Put in
Ital
some the okra now for finish up the Ital okra stew.
to the coconut stand. Living Ital.
Boy, okra stew, okra stew, okra stew, okra stew. Yes, man.
Perfect. Sun seeds, they keep me strong. Living Ital.
So you ready for eat?
So we
Yeah,
will
man,
call
we
this
ready
the
to
real
eat, man. Oh, ready for taste this, you know? In a big calabash and a small calabash, I want, you know? I want a big calabash.
Should we just serve it in the bath?
Yo, okra stew ready. Seasoned quinoa ready. And we're gonna do some breadfruit, you know, and a nice salad. It's a big bash today. I have 2 bash more for myself.
Fresh fruits waiting, that's
So
all.
what are you going to have in bed? Actually,
Missy.
Make us see, no? But rather go bathroom first, then let's have something.
Fresh from the farm.
People look past that's your bowl.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
Look
man.
past that's your bowl. Look. That's the only direction in the kitchen, you know?
Yeah, man. That's how it goes. So we'll share out the seasoned quinoa, you know. Yeah, man.
In Ital, keep my spirit pure. Sour
man,
salt juice,
Kadeen.
we cleanse my soul.
Yes, anything we can't eat now, eat later.
No.
Alright, that good, man. I appreciate love this, you know. Alright, well next, the okra stew.
And true, cooking Ital stew, seasoned quinoa.
Alright,
Roasting breadfruit,
share the
over
okra
flame.
stew, you know, Papa season. Quinoa, Lord have mercy. Yes. I saw me like it. Hey. I do spicy that thing, but I saw me like it. Oh gosh. Look on these people. Yo.
See?
Yeah, I tell the thing there, you know. Yeah, man. Grateful for the hands that prepared this, you know. Yeah, man. Yes. So this is seasoned quinoa with okra stew. I already ate off all of my breadfruit, but I'm going to add some salad to this. Yeah, man, to watch steam. I am eternally grateful for the hands that prepared this meal with love. Look at it. Ital stew. Well, okra stew, seasoned quinoa, salad. Yeah, man. Gratitude is a must. Yo, food. Nice. The chef eats our own food, you know.
Good things.
She all put pear in her own avocado.
good food.
Oh, it
Really
tastes.
good
Oh, it
food.
tastes. Oh, it tastes. You like Jamaican food?
Oh yeah, I love it.
Uh-huh.
Never eaten so good like in Jamaica.
Thanks for watching another Yaad Trods episode. I hope you liked it as much as I liked the seasoned quinoa and okra stew. Thank you, Thomas, for hosting us at the Rastafari Herbal Gardens. Thank you, Yannick, for assisting Kadeen in the kitchen. And Kadeen, big up yourself. Sure. Now, I want to do a poll. Let me know which of the recipes that Kadeen made you would try. Would you try the seasoned quinoa or would you try the okra stew? Comment below and let me know. Yaad Trods, come make we trod.